Ever dreamed of creating Hollywood-level, action-packed videos without any filmmaking experience? With Dream Machine, the revolutionary AI text-to-video generator, you can turn your simple text prompts into breathtaking, cinematic masterpieces in just minutes. Whether it's a thrilling action scene, a serene nature shot, or a futuristic cityscape, Dream Machine brings your vision to life with smooth motion, stunning cinematography, and dramatic flair. Welcome to the future of video creation with Dream Machine, the revolutionary AI text-to-video generator that's set to change the way you create content. Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel, and today I'm excited to introduce you to Dream Machine, an incredible new AI tool that turns your text and images into high-quality, realistic videos in just minutes. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, educator, or just someone who loves making videos, Dream Machine is here to unleash your creativity. Dream Machine is not just any video generator. It's a highly scalable and efficient transformer model trained directly on videos. This means it can produce physically accurate, consistent, and eventful shots that will leave your audience amazed. Let me show you how easy it is to create a mesmerizing video. At first, sign into the website. After you log in, we will come to this dashboard. Here, all you need is a simple text prompt. For example, let's type, "A handsome man driving car on ice mountain." Once you've entered your prompt, just hit the Generate button, and let Dream Machine work its magic. In just a few moments, Dream Machine transforms your text into a stunning, high-definition video. Look at that! The level of detail and realism is just incredible. And the best part? You don't need any prior video editing experience. Dream Machine makes it accessible for everyone. But sometime you will not get 100% result, but you will get most of it. Let's try another one. For example, let's type, "A girl studying on the cloud." So this is the result, which is pretty cool for cartoon maker or animation designer. Not only that, you can create action-packed videos with it. I recently generated another video about World in War with Terminator's AI, cinematic, 4K thriller, action. And it's looking really outstanding, like I am creating movie scenes with this AI tool. Dream Machine can handle a wide range of prompts, from nature scenes and cityscapes to futuristic visions and more. The possibilities are endless. Not only can you create videos from text, but you can also start with an image. Simply upload an image, and Dream Machine will enhance it with motion, adding depth and realism. Just like that, your static image comes to life with motion and vibrancy. Isn't that amazing? Dream Machine truly is a game changer for visual storytelling. But wait, there's more. Dream Machine doesn't just create videos, it brings action-packed shots to life. Imagine generating 5-second clips with realistic, smooth motion, breathtaking cinematography, and engaging drama. It's like turning snapshots into thrilling stories. Now let's try something simple. For example, let's type, "A man meditating at the top of the mountains, cinematic, peaceful, wind, snowfall." So, this is the result, and it's breathtaking. Just look at the details and colors of the video. We are really in the era of AI, and now one know what AI will do in few years. You can use Dream Machine to creating dream worlds with consistent characters. It understands how people, animals, and objects interact with the physical world, allowing you to craft videos with great character consistency and accurate physics. Whether it's an epic adventure or a serene moment, Dream Machine makes it come alive. And if you want to capture attention with breathtaking camera moves, Dream Machine helps you experiment with an endless array of fluid, cinematic, and naturalistic camera motions. Match the emotion and contents of the scene effortlessly. Dream Machine also offers a range of customization options. You can tweak the style, adjust the color palette, and even add special effects to make your video truly unique. And if you go to the account section, you will see 4 subscription model, and with free account you will get only 5 video to generate every day. Or you can go for their premium plan. With these tools, you have full creative control to bring your vision to life exactly as you imagined. And if you want to extend your generated video into a longer, more detailed masterpiece, you can easily do it. Simply add more text prompts or images to build on your initial video. Dream Machine seamlessly blends these elements to create a cohesive, extended video. Now, you might be wondering how Dream Machine stacks up against other tools like Sora and Runway ML. Well, Sora is publicly not open and you can use Runway ML to generate video, or you can use HyperAI, which are really great. It's great at mixing things, but sometimes you end up with a mess. Dream Machine, on the other hand, is like having your own personal Hollywood director and film crew. It knows exactly what you want and delivers it perfectly every time. Dream Machine is our first step towards building a universal imagination engine, and the best part is, it's available to everyone now. So why wait? Dive into the world of limitless creativity.